Behold, the Tyripposlothephant, a mythical creature the likes of which has never before been seen by human eyes. Except that I kinda just posted it on YouTube, so yeah, everybody on the internet's seen it. Oh well, it was once a secret mythical creature. Now it's on the internet, which doesn't make a very good secret. Anyway, let's get on with the video to the welcoming slide, which wasn't first this time. Hello and welcome to the video today, or of actually the next several days. We're going to be breaking this video apart into several videos because the thing's just so large. It'll be a lot easier if we just make a bunch of instructional videos on various parts of it. We're actually going to be splitting it up into the head, the back, the sides and decoration, legs, tail, and its stomach area. So, this is the intro video of the series. I'm going to be making this into a playlist. You can just watch the whole playlist. It'll give you instructions step by step, piece by piece, limb by limb. But in this instructional video, I'm going to show you a bit of how this thing works. So this thing's a giant mythical creature. It's got pine trees on its back, or at least imitation pine trees made out of plastic. So this is actually not in minifigure scale. It's intended to be a lot larger, though it's currently only about a foot wide when it's fully extended. So it's got several pieces that move. First off, in the head, it's got a ball and socket joint at its neck, which lets for a lot of spinning, but not too much bending, because we've got this thing here to avoid having some weird, ugly pinch at the neck. Then its mouth moves up and down, and that's about all the articulation in the head. Arms are very articulate, they just swing in and out, about like a Tyrannosaur. Tail's actually the most articulated part, not being sarcastic this time. It's got a ball and socket joint everywhere along it till we get to the end here where the spike is just on a normal hinge. Bit of a stiff end. Then the legs have ball and socket joints, which move a lot more than they would really need to because he's kind of misbalanced. If he's not standing almost vertical, he'll try to fall over. His tail needs to be fairly long in order to give him a good counterbalance, but even then his head's just big and heavy. He's a bit thick-skulled. And then his stomach opens, which is the one you wouldn't expect, and it's got hamburger storage inside, in case you need to store any hamburgers where people will not be able to reach. Anyway, so that's it for this video. Fairly short video. I will see you in the next videos where we will explain how this creature is made and go through it step by step. Hello everybody, thanks for watching. I hope you really enjoyed this video, and I hope you're going to enjoy building this model. After I've made the instructions and posted them up, I'd love your guys' opinions on how this thing is, you like the model, how easy it is to make. I'd also like your guys' opinions on the kind of models I should make, whether you want more creature-focused models like this giant, mythical, I don't know, this aberration, or if you'd like more of the sci-fi tech models I make. Anyway, please leave thoughts in the comments below, and I will see you in the next several videos.